Hi, I'm Cheyenne.
And I'm Jeremy. And we are CJ Adventures.
Welcome to our channel.
We will share as we adventure through life.
And what we learn along the way.
Guys, it is 11:59, so we're actually starting this week's vlog before this week. But we're here and we're parked at our parents' house and we're getting their internet.
We're pretty sure they're sleeping, so we're not gonna go in.
Yeah, so we're just uploading our video. Guys, this is what we do to make videos for you. It's 12:08.
All you can do to appreciate us is subscribe.
Please subscribe. We have 75 subscribers now, so thank you.
Whoever you are.
This view is incredible, and we have nice big windows in our house. We can literally look in every direction. It's amazing. Love it. And we have an awning. We're on our deck, so we can have a covered deck if we want, but we don't have to.
We got one, guys. We killed a gopher. It is Monday morning and I'm still working on this huge pile of stuff.
Sorry guys,
We didn't video as much as we wanted to today.
we forgot to take the GoPro to the furniture store, but it's okay because we just were in the furniture store last week. And yesterday I got a desk. Isn't it beautiful? It's beautiful. It is so nice out here. I can't even believe it. I don't think it's ever gonna get old. And we have our Traeger. So we got it a wedding gift and we finally get to open it. I'm so excited to learn how to use this thing. How do we even get it out?
Good morning, guys. I just thought I'd give you a little update on what the house is kind of looking like. So here's the kitchen. It's a lot tidier than it was. I still have some boxes over there, some more stuff over there. Jeremy set up his desk, so that's looking pretty nice. But let's just take a minute. Let's just take a minute and enjoy this view. Like, sometimes you just gotta rest in the beauty of it all.
You ready? The Red Deer Airport. Look at us go. Flying Grunaboom Air.
Yeah, airline.
Oh, this is a big airport. So I bought myself a car. And how was your first flight, Zion?
Good.
Yeah? What was your favorite part?
Landing.
Landing, yes. Landing was fun. It was really smooth on pavement rather than grass. And this is my car. It is a 2005 Honda Civic Si. We're going to get our couches!
Yay!
I have the best boss in the world, so he let me use his truck to get couches. And we got our couches back home. Hi. Is that your bed? That's such a cute bed. That's so nice.
That is Judas.
That's Judah's bed? That's amazing. You're so lucky.
Sorry, Kenya.
I haven't told you about it yet. This is the intruder. And Sam has moved out of his house and is now living in my yard for one day.
Thank you so much for watching.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.
And you'll see us next time.